Good morning, dear friends. Today we discuss Nicotiana tobacco is used for smoking and chewing purpose. Tobacco belongs to the family of Solanaceae. State having highest pulse production is Maharashtra. Now Madhya Pradesh. Most widely grown rabi pulse crop is Bengal gram, which crop contributes maximum to the production of cereal in the country, rice. A farmer has provision of one irrigation for wheat crop. At what stage he would irrigate the crop? Crown root initiation stage or CRI stage at the 21 days after sowing. Most widely extensively grown rabi pulse crop in India is Bengal gram. Research on wheat and maize is carried out at Summit, Mexico. Three most important crop in the world: rice, maize and cassava. Black rust of wheat is pandemic disease. Sheath blight of rice is caused by Rhizoctonia solanae. Sugar obtained from the sugarcane is sucrose. Mulch crop used for soil conservation. Dhaicha is what kind of crop? Green manuring crop. Non-leguminous crop having nodules and ability to fix nitrogen is elder. Tuber crops are rich in starch. Novelization of sugarcane is done by C. A. Barber and T. S. Venkatraman. Cultivated rice in Asian subcontinent is Oryza sativa. The entire gene sequence of which crop is completely known? Rice. Which crop is also known as white gold? Cotton. Crop logging is done in sugarcane. Which crop is thermo-insensitive? Sunflower. Which is genetically modified crop cultivated in India? Cotton. Major cropping systems in transganglic plain is rice, wheat. Crop grown in between the main crops is called intercrops. Which is highly salt tolerant crop? Date palm. Hatch and slack pathway is found in maize or C4 plant. Pulse fit well in cropping system as they are moisture stress resistant crop. C4 crop maize comes under the which category? Cereal crop. Which is the narcotic crop? Opium. At what stage more nutrients are required in cereal crops? Growth stage. Which crop requires maximum amount of nitrogen? Sugarcane. Paddy is grown as a mixed crop with cotton or maize in Assam. Jowar and paddy are grown in mixed crop in Uttar Pradesh, Rohilkhand region. Wheat and barley are not grown as a mixed crop in Haryana. A central zone of India, wheat is harvested in February to March. In Himalayan range and valley, wheat is sown in April to May. In high mountain range valley in Himalayan, wheat is harvested in September to October. Modern dwarf variety of wheat are sown at the depth of 5 to 6 cm. Depth of sowing of tall variety of wheat is 8 to 9 cm. Seed rate of wheat depending upon variety varies from 75 kg to 125 kg, normally 100 kg. If sowing is to be done by liberal amount of seed required for 1 hectare of land is 10 kg. Broad-leaved non-gramineous bead are controlled by 2,4-D. The shortest duration rice variety is known to nature in 85 to 90 days. When rice seedlings are raised in puddled bed is called bed nursery. Kharif rice seedlings are transplanted at the age of 20 to 25 days. Rabi rice seedlings are transplanted at the age 30 to 40 days. Cotton is cultivated in India in more than 8 million hectares. Average length of cotton is 90 kg per hectare. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks.